Hi friends, welcome back. Hope all my viewers and friends out there are getting insights of different topics of digital marketing from our channel, and do stay in touch with our channel as we are going to start with more detailed topics in depth in future videos with detailed explanation of practical videos also. Now we are actually going through the basics of all the topics, but in near future you can get more in-depth detailed topics in our videos. Now without wasting your valuable time, let's get into today's topic, that is how to rank your website in 2024. Excited to know more? Well, here we are going to divide the topics into different tips, so let's see. Tip 1. Write a content that captivates your audience. We know that Google loves fresh and informative content that solves user problems. So try to write like you are talking to a friend and not like an AI. Start targeting those long tail keywords that focuses on the intent and answer what users are really looking for. We can also break up the text with stunning images, infographics, and even videos to show visual storytelling. Tip 2. Focus on technical expertise. Make sure your website loads faster by optimizing images and using cache plugins. Make your website responsive and easy to navigate on any device. Secure your website with HTTPS, that is Hypertext Transfer Protocol secured, that is by using secure socket layer certificates, that's nothing but SSL certificates. Tip 3. Build good quality backlinks. Focus on earning backlinks from a relevant or high authority websites. Share your content, try to engage with your audience while delivering the content, and build relationships with your niche. Remember, always sharing is caring. Tip 4. Provide good user experience. Make sure that your website should be easy to explore or navigate. Make your engagement by using interactive elements, quizzes, and also try to optimize your conversations by using call to actions or CTA buttons. So that's all for today, friends. If you found this video helpful, share it with your fellow friends and drop a comment below. Stay tuned with our channel for the next video, where we are coming up with the new topic, that is stay ahead of the curve with AI and the future of SEO. Until next time, keep updated with the new world of digital marketing. Till then, this is Bryce signing off behalf of HBNet. Thank you. Bye.